composing a town, Miss Jean. Oh, a visitor.
Wala nang bawian yan, be, ha?
No, it seems there wasn't turning me.
The Viking soldier led by fearsome general marched into the village.
We've come from afar to conquer this land. We claim it for Denmark, our noble command. With courage and valor, we sail the vast sea, pursuing glory and destiny to be.
The villagers fled for mercy, but the Vikings remained resolute.
With every breath, I first did fight for freedom's goal in fearless night. I stand strong, resolved, and free.
I stand strong, resolved,